Good afternoon, I'm MetLoop meteorologist Jacqueline Langdon here with your afternoon update for Saturday, January 21st. Beginning with our satellite and radar, we can see that we currently have a frontal boundary that's pushing through the southeast U.S. that is causing thunderstorms for the panhandle of Florida through southeast Georgia up into South Carolina and North Carolina with some rainfall as well. We also have a low that is spinning over Minnesota and Wisconsin that's causing a mixture of rain and snow for that area. We have another low that is developing over Oklahoma at this time that's going to be pushing east through tonight that will help keep some severe weather for the southeast. And out in the west coast, we're seeing another frontal boundary that's going to be pushing in by tomorrow that's going to keep rain and snow in the forecast. Taking a look at the day one convective outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, we can see that the southeast is going to be under threat this afternoon and evening for more severe thunderstorms to move through. This is going to be from that low that's over Oklahoma that's going to develop and push quickly to the east. What we're going to see with this is going to be two moderate areas that are going to be the areas of the higher concentration of storms. For our first moderate area, hail is going to be the threat for that region. And for our second moderate area, that's where we're going to be seeing more of the potential for tornado and strong wind events. However, tornadoes are possible with any of the severe storms, and we'll be sure to keep an eye on all of it here for you at MetLoop. Taking a look at our forecast radar, this is valid from 3 p.m. until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We can see that out on the west coast, we're going to get that frontal system that's going to push on, bringing again more rain and snow for locations throughout California, Washington, and Oregon. We can also see the low that's sitting over Minnesota and Wisconsin is going to continue to kind of just sit and spin in that general area until it's pushed out to the east in a couple days. So they'll still continue to see some rain-snow mix. And again, our big weather maker that we are going to be looking for our severe weather through this afternoon and this evening is that low that's developing over Oklahoma City. We can clearly see that the rotation is going to continue to develop and push to the east slightly. And with that, we can see that the severe thunderstorms are going to persist and spark up in sporadic areas. When we zoom in on the southeast for the forecast radar, we can see a lot better exactly how intense some of these storms are going to be. For our moderate area that was to the west, covering over Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana, we can see that those storms are going to be most likely occurring this afternoon. However, the tornado-producing storms that the SPC has for Alabama are going to be coming in through this evening. So make sure that you have all sorts of communications available to be able to be notified if anything is going to be potentially threatening your area. Again, we here at MetLoop are going to be continually monitoring the situation as well and issuing our alerts as necessary. I'm MetLoop meteorologist Jacqueline Langdon. Have a great day and stay safe.